As soon as you start recording with more than one microphone, you're going to have to start thinking about the phase relationships between those two microphones. Effectively, are they receiving the signal at the same time, in phase? I've got a drum kit track here and I put 3 mics on the kick drum. A kick in, a kick out and a sub kick. Let me play those for you now. Now it sounds okay, but there's something not quite right. So I'm going to take these 2 out of solo and build it up for you. Kick in, then out, then sub. That sounds fine. And let's add the sub. There's something not quite right with that sub. So what I've done is I've put the trim plugin across all 3 of the kick drum microphones. And I'm just going to flick this one in and out of phase as we go through. See if I can hear a difference. Out of phase. Oh, that's massively different. To my ears, when I kick it out of phase, all the bottom end comes back and we get a much fatter, thicker sounding kick drum. I think the kick sub mic was recorded out of phase. We can check that by zooming right in, and you can see that the kick in and the kick out are in phase and the sub kick is out of phase. All we have to do to correct that is make sure that phase invert switch stays engaged on the trim plugin on the sub kick channel. So that's a quick tutorial on how to check for and correct phase in pre-recorded material.